Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important missile system, that is the BHARGAVASTRA missile. This missile is in the recent news from Indian side. Why it is in news? Why we have to discuss all these things? Which purpose it is important? Once we have to see in this video. First, India has successfully tested an indigenous counter drone system and indigenous counter drone system dubbed as a BHARGAVASTRA. So that is very popular missile it is. India has successfully tested an indigenous counter drone system dubbed as a BHARGAVASTRA, designed and developed by Solar Defense Aerospace Limited, SDAL. Who developed this one? This BHARGAVASTRA missile was developed by SDAL, Solar Defense and Aerospace Limited. BHARGAVASTRA uses minor rockets to detect and neutralize drones at a range up to 2.5 kilometers. So what is this system? This BHARGAVASTRA is the counter drone system. It is a counter drone system. Who developed this system? Solar Defense and Aerospace Limited developed this system. For competitive purpose, this is very important. The Solar Defense and Aerospace Limited people are developed this system. It uses a minor rockets to detect and neutralize the drones. So this BHARGAVASTRA is minor rockets, it identify and it neutralize the up to 2.5 kilometers. The BHARGAVASTRA system deploys unguided micro rockets to neutralize the swarms of drones with a lethal radius of 20 meters. So this BHARGAVASTRA is deploys unguided micro rockets to neutralize the swarms of drones with a lethal radius of 20 meters. This is also very important. The lethal radius is 20 meters. So the system's second layer of defense is the guided micro missile. It is unguided. This is the second layer of defense is guided missile, which ensures precise and effective targeting. It has the capability to fire 24 micro missiles simultaneously. Simultaneously, we have to send 24 micro missiles immediately. Its radar has a range of 6 to 10 kilometers for locating small aerial threats. Its radar has a range of 6 to 10 kilometers for locating small aerial threats. The system can also be integrated with the existing network-centric warfare infrastructure. So it allows integration of soft kill options like jamming and spoofing. All soft kill integration options also is there. Jamming the system and spoofing the system also will available. It has its radar has a range 6 to 10 kilometers from locating small aerial threats. Also we have to locate for this. This is the information about the BHARGAVASTRA. Who prepared this BHARGAVASTRA means Solar Defense and Aerospace Limited is prepared the BHARGAVASTRA. Please share and subscribe our YouTube channel and so encourage us while listening the science and technology classes. Please comment. Thank you.